welcome back to my channel, Alin de la Cruz vlog. My husband actually took me in this area. Alright, and I did it. He told me it's a fruit shop over there. But I was looking for some plants and then I saw a jade in here. And then I didn't realize that there's plenty of succulents here. I gotta check. Oh my god. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's $20. See that? $20. And this is Anium. I don't know what this is. Oh, so cutie. How much for you? And that one. And this is nice. Look at their jade. Hello. I have this at home. This is and ghosty. Red Ives, another ghosty. That's Opalina. And gigantic. Chai. Underneath. Oh my goodness. This is such a beauty. Love, I'll follow you there. I'm making a vlog. Look at that, babe. They're on sale. Ghosty for $6. Red Ives. I'll follow you there, babe. I'm just having a look. I found where to buy. Why did you take me here?
I don't know.
Huh? Hello?
There's a coffee in there somewhere.
Hello? I'll follow you, love. Look around the fruits.
I don't know.
Is that?
It's a coffee like Neil and Linda's.
So she can talk. The bird can talk. Hello? How are you? What are you doing? Oh, there's a bird nest over there. Oh, my love. Why did you take me here? This is $15 off. $15 is like 500 pesos. Yeah. Because $10 is 350. Oh, this is Opalina. This is mostly Echeveria. Oh. This is the most nicest place
See
you
what
took me.
happens when I
Love.
come to work?
Wow. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. You're so beautiful. I believe, love, when you buy it, that's in a pot. They're set. Hello. Hi. Hello. This is Oddity. Wow, nice. Oddity, how much are you? Oh, this isn't. Babe, this is $40. Some is $32. We call it dish. Love, what's wrong? Oh my god. And this is red tips. Ooh, that's a $6. This one is how much? 32. That's banana. This one has a lot, but I think this is a little expensive. $30. Cheveria. My goodness. Another $32. Another, I think that's 22 something. Oh my. This is how much. Wow. We got a nice burrito here. That is burrito and I'm Oy, ganda. Oh my god. Mm. They look good because they're already potted. And I'm not sure about this. That's banana. Oh, $6. So that's like 200 pesos. And then curly jade, banana again. I think all of this per pot is $6. That's orange. Hey! Are you? Are you? Yeah. Is he a boy? That's $14. Ang ganda-ganda. They're under the shed like a net. That's massive red ives. And this is Darlie Sunshine. My God, look at that. And there's another Darlie Sunshine at the back. Look. Oh my goodness. It's massive. Look at that one. I forgot the name of this, but I used to have one of going back home.
Excuse me, lady. You're blocking the eye.
Ah, there's the... Why are you having a cart in here? It's not a grocery shop here. Love! This is Mendoza. Oh, no, Ellen. I have this back home, love. I have most of them. This is Red Ives. That's Ghosty. That's Darlie Sunshine. That's
I
Amy.
remember Mum had something with them.
Yeah, I used to have one, but they grow big. They're not getting cuter. Oh, that's massive. Yeah, that one. What's your name again? Come on, love. I'm almost finished here. This is $20.
With that orange tree?
Not now, love, because I'm overwhelmed. Oh, this is what we have home, babe. Oh, there at the, the porch. It's being sold for $14. I forgot the name, but we have this at the house. There at the stairs. Yes. Oh, plenty of premiums. Oh my God, it's $14. Just good. My love. I'm still trying to. Hey, this is beautiful. This is jade. Jadelet. Another jadelet and aloe. You see this? Huh? Oh, you're so beautiful. I just forgot your name, so you're $28. That's anium and there's blackjack at the back. And plenty of jade. See? Which one, love? Yeah.
It was from the dad's.
Even here, oh. That's jadelet. Jadelet. That's succulent, babe. Hello. How are you? Oh my God. Look at the anium here. There's $9 and there's $10 anium. Babe, I don't know, but hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. What's the name of this, love? Cockatoo?
Yeah, cookie.
Huh?
Cookie.
No, the bird.
Yeah,
Cocky?
cookie.
Cockatoo? Hi. Hello. You see me? Hello. Hello. They can grow. They can get old for like how many decades, because my husband friend owns one and she told us that it's turning 70 this year. My God, older than us. Yeah. So one last shot. So there you go. This is actually a fruit shop, just so you know, and they have a separate area for plants, and I realized that they have plenty of succulents. I thought they were just selling like herbs, like parsley, rosemary, like that. I have plenty of this back home. Didn't realize they can grow this big. And that's another emu. Okay. Alright, thank you so much for watching my videos. And again, if you're new to my channel, kindly hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated to my future vlog. I'm actually here in New South Wales. And yeah, if you have questions, suggestions, comments, hit the message box, and I'll definitely have a look at it and respond. And again, stay safe and see you in my next vlog. Bye.